I'll give you Opramini. I'll give you Robocall and Opramini.
Babe.
See?
Babe.
No sexy girl.
Hey, I'm talking to you. What's that?
I can't show my baby now.
I don't baby no.
Shine.
Mommy so much. I can't find you.
It's the bill. Skaka kana ya mi bisa now. Ejuma we na aye.
I want you to.
It's because of something that I'm considering you.
Oh no.
I'm supposed to be with the big men. Such a wallet, domination in the rest. Why this?
Oh, Pastor.
I'm talking to you.
I say, oh, remember Chichimu. I say.
Oh, why are you disgracing me? You can find a girl like me. I'm supposed to be with big men. Such a wallet, domination in the rest. Why are you disgracing me? Why? Eh? And it's Yejai. Why? Yejai. We are done. We are done.
Nti ebe hwebe ni ma na ejama mama ye niala e ka wo ma bo
yeah, you can't disgrace me like that, okay? You can't disgrace
me.
So
Bella say e ka wo ma bo mama o kala todo one no be the madi. Nobody can do that except me. So you don't love me again?
I don't love you. We are done. There's
really?
nothing going on between us again.
So if you don't love me, you slap me. If you don't like, it's true that you don't love me.